Assalamualaikum and good morning students. I am your teacher Miss Aniba. Now hurry up, open your computer book, chapter number 2, computer hardware. What is the name of the chapter? Computer hardware. Now let's start it. Computer hardware is any part of the computer that you can touch. Computer hardware कंप्यूटर का कोई भी पार्ट है होता है जिसे आप टच कर सकते हो, मतलब छू सकते हो. Now a computer has many parts. कंप्यूटर के पास बहुत सारे पार्ट्स हैं. A monitor, द CPU इन द सिस्टम यूनिट. एक मॉनिटर है और CPU है पूरे सिस्टम यूनिट में. अ कीबोर्ड है. अ माउस है. एंड अ स्कैनर एंड अ प्रिंटर. स्कैनर और प्रिंटर है. ऑल ऑफ दीज आर कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर. ये सब क्या है? कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर. यू कैन सी ऑल्सो द पिक्चर्स. Now color the objects that are computer hardware. In this exercise what you all have to do, you all have to color those objects जो computer hardware है. For example we have monitor. Monitor is a computer hardware, so you all have to color this. Now the monitor. We have monitor. The monitor looks like a TV screen. Monitor किसकी तरह लगता है? एक TV screen की तरह. जो TV पे हम कार्टून्स देखते हैं ना, उसकी तरह मॉनिटर लगता है. लाइक दिस. नाउ इट शोज अस व्हाट द कंप्यूटर इज डूइंग. हमें क्या बताता है कि कंप्यूटर में क्या काम हो रहा है, कंप्यूटर क्या कर रहा है. नाउ द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट वी सी ऑन अ कंप्यूटर इज अ सॉफ्ट कॉपी ऑफ आवर डेटा. इंफॉर्मेशन, मालूमात, सारी चीज़ें दैट वी सी ऑन अ मॉनिटर, जो हम मॉनिटर पे देखते हैं, इज अ सॉफ्ट कॉपी ऑफ आवर डेटा. वो सॉफ्ट कॉपी है हमारे डेटा की. नाउ look it down. We have unscrambled the letters and write the name of the computer hardware. Now we have these unscrambled words. You all have to write these words. For example, we have OSMU means mouse. MOUSE, mouse. Now you all have to do it by yourself. Now the next heading is CPU. The CPU. The CPU inside the system unit is the computer's brain. CPU जो है सिस्टम यूनिट के अंदर कंप्यूटर का जो है वो ब्रेन है. CPU stands for सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. CPU जो है क्या स्टैंड कर रहा है आपको? सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. द वर्क दैट द कंप्यूटर डज इज कॉल्ड. हमारा कंप्यूटर जो काम करता है वो क्या कहलाता है? प्रोसेसिंग. द CPU प्रिपेयर्स एंड प्रोसेसेस डेटा. CPU हमारा पूरा तैयार करता है और प्रोसेस करता है डेटा को. इट कंट्रोल्स एंड स्टोर्स द डेटा दैट गोज फ्रॉम वन पार्ट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर टू द अदर पार्ट. ये सारा जो है हमारा डेटा स्टोर और कंट्रोल करता है जो एक पार्ट से दूसरे पार्ट में कंप्यूटर के जाता है. नाउ लुक एट डाउन. वी हैव द एक्सरसाइज. लेबल द CPU, CD-ROM drive and USB drive on the system unit. Now you can see this and do, and as well as word this by yourself. Now we have the keyboard. The keyboard is used to enter data into the computer. The keys tells us the computer what to do. Now keyboard क्या है? वो इस्तेमाल होता है, इसलिए used होता है to enter data. सारी चीज़ें पूरा data into the computer. कंप्यूटर में डालने में. The keys tell द कंप्यूटर वॉट टू. और हमें उसकी कीज़ बताती हैं कि कंप्यूटर जो है वो क्या करेगा. लेट मी शो यू द कीबोर्ड. जस्ट लुक एट हेयर. वी हैव all keys here. Now wait. So there are alphabet. यहाँ इस पे alphabet है, number है and punctuation keys. There are also special keys that perform special jobs. Now look at the keyboard. We have special keys like enter, backspace, and what we have alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are the alphabets in your keyboard. Now we have numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the numbers. Now we have punctuation. What are the punctuation? We have question mark. हम question लिखते हुए डालते हैं ना, what is question mark? Where is question mark? So it's a punctuation. We have dot. हम sentence complete करते हैं, so what we put? We put dot, comma. Like this we have punctuations. Now the enter key is used to enter data and to move the cursor to the next line. Now we have enter key. Here we have enter key and we use enter key to enter data and to move the cursor to the next line. किसी जैसे आप कुछ नीचे आपको next line पे लाना है तो we use enter to do that. Now the backspace key is used to erase data. We have backspace here. We use backspace to erase our data. Now there are two shift keys. We press the shift key and a letter key together to type the letter in capital. We press the shift key and a number key together to type a symbol. Now what are the shift keys? Here we have shift key. We press shift key and a letter key together to type the letter in capital. जब हमें capital letter लिखना होता है तो we press shift key and a letter key together. दोनों हम जो है वो साथ press करेंगे तो वो capital form में आ जाएगा. And we press the shift key and a number key together to type a symbol. Now what are the symbol? What are the symbols, students? Let me show you. Plus, minus, bracket, star and percentage. These are the symbols. So when we press shift key and a number, so the result would be symbol. जब हम shift key और 9 नंबर को मिला के दोनों को togetherly एक साथ प्रेस करेंगे तो हमारे पास symbol बना हुआ आएगा. For example, we press shift key and a 9 तो हमारे पास bracket बना हुआ आएगा. क्या बना हुआ आएगा? Bracket. Now draw an arrow to show what function these keys perform. Now here we have keys and you all have to draw an arrow to show what function these keys perform. ये सब keys जो है वो क्या function इनमें से perform करिए. You have to make an arrow, draw an arrow on it. Now turn the page. Now the mouse. The mouse is used to point at icons on the monitor and select them. Now we have mouse. Just look at here. We have mouse. The mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. The mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. We have 2 buttons on a mouse. Now to choose an icon on the monitor, we place the pointer over it and click on the left mouse button. When we have to choose an icon on the computer, what we do? We place the pointer over it and click on the left button. We click on the left button to place the pointer over it. जो ये pointer आप लोग देख रहे हैं, it's a pointer, it's a arrow which we have to place from here to here with the help of mouse. Now look at down. Join the dots and color the picture. We have mouse here, the picture of mouse, and what we have to do? We have to join the dots and color the picture as well. The mouse may have a scroll wheel in the middle. Just look at here. We have scroll wheel in the middle. So the scroll wheel is used to move up and down a page. For what scroll wheel is used? Up and down. Up and down. The pointer is the arrow that we see on a monitor. Pointer जो है वो एक arrow है जो हम देखते हैं monitor पे. When we move the mouse on a mouse pad, the pointer moves in the same direction on the screen. जब हम mouse को mouse pad पे भी use करते हैं तो pointer जो है वो same direction पे screen पे आपके move करता है. The cursor is the flashing line that we see on a monitor when we enter data into the computer. Cursor here, just look at here. Here what we have cursor. Cursor is the flashing line. Cursor एक flashing line है that we see on a monitor, जिसको हम monitor पे देखते हैं when we enter data into the computer. Now it tell us where the type text will appear on the screen. ये हमें बताता है कि जो type text है वो कहाँ पे है screen पे. Now look at down. We have word with. Match the words that have the same meaning. Now you all have to match those words who have same meaning. On the next page we have fill in the blanks and you have to do this. Now thank you so much class. I hope you all understand. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.